What up, guys? What up, guys, man? We out here dealing with the Rugrats this morning. We got them situated in the house. It's going to be a rainy week, so, we back on kennel duty. Got to get them back on the routine. They've been splurging, running outside like they want to all day. So now we got to get ourselves back in the routine to clean the kennels every day so we can make sure we take care of the yard, because the yard is full of shit. Literally. These puppies, they come with it. So we just got Scarlet done. Now I'm trying to build my routine going in and out. Last night I tried to use these pee pads, man, but Jesus, bro, they just whipping them up, so it's just making it even worse. So I'm just gonna stick with the old plan. Come in here every morning, scoop it up, mop it up. Now I got the Kennesaw, then we're gonna spray it down with the Kennesaw. And we're gonna do it like that, man. How y'all feeling this morning? I hope everybody's mental health is on point. God knows mine is. And I got some information about this mental health thing, and we're gonna break it down to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted y'all to walk with me today, to test out my little TikTok thing. You know what I'm talking about? So now I gotta remember to look in that green light so it look like I'm looking directly at the screen. Because if I'm looking at the screen, it look like I'm looking crazy. Yeah, then we got our official safety glasses on because your boy left his glasses at work in the safety glass pouch. So I'm out here with line bifocals and all that jazz. I ain't got my tent on or nothing. But yeah, I don't know if I gave any of y'all like if y'all haven't seen in a while, I got my little, see these things right here, they just ripped them all up. So dogs are good for your mental health. This routine alone is good for my mental health. Cause look, bro, especially when you're new and you out here doing everything on your own time, and then you working a full-time job, it ain't easy. It ain't. Party's not over. What it say? Groove me, baby, tonight. So then right now my routine is I'm letting one out, clean the kennel, wipe it down, spray it down, wipe it down again. You know what I'm talking about? Especially in those areas. And this Kennesaw is pretty good. It definitely eliminates odors. You gotta step up the concentration to kill the parvo, but I like it. We're gonna try some other stuff here soon too. Yeah, man. So we're in our disciplinary week now. Like for real, I gotta buckle down and get these guys in something solid. Start working with their training, cause I gotta control the jumping up and down on me and stuff like that. But they get me dirty. All right. So then when I spray that, I always go back with a towel. I found some good deals of towels at the flea market. Because when you got a wood floor, I plan to put epoxy down on this floor at some point. We had Prime in here today. We got Scarlet over there. Little mama Scarlet. Had somebody call me about her the other day. We got a new addition coming, man. I can't tell you exactly when he gonna be here, but I found me a stud. It was the same bloodline as the mother and the father of both of the litters that I just got. Like the mother on the Merle litter and the father on the Nirvana's litter, I got a stud with the blood of both of them coming. The heat wave. Heat wave! So we're gonna let that boy Prime in. Prime, come on, baby. Come on. Look at this bird. Say, hey, Prime. That's Prime. Prime is part of that heat wave. I guess the Merle was, they said purple champ, she said, but, you know, we got to re-register them because, you know, we didn't get the paperwork that we needed. But this is our outcross for Nirvana's litter. We also got them on antibiotics right now because I don't like the little hack that they got going on. So now we got Amani, and I'm definitely separating them now because they be getting at each other, man. Look at that. So she be, look at that, see? How she tore all that up? Sometimes some pee pads don't work. Let me let her out real quick. Definitely can't work with her. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? Like, she's just, she's a trip. She gonna require me to do a lot more cleaning than the rest of them. But the good thing is she only pooped once. This month she spilled out her water, no wonder. I'm like, why is it so wet in here? But I do advise some things, and I keep saying I'm gonna do it, is to anchor these to the wall with some kind of wire or something. Big ass mosquito. Oh, she gonna make me work today. So while I'm letting them out, I got one running out there at a time, getting a little exercise in. I just put them in when I got off work this morning. And damn, the bottom did not fall out the sky. You hear me? I got her on amoxicillin, trying to clear that hack up. Gave her a kennel cough shot, her and Prime, a couple days ago. So he has calmed down, but I'm gonna put him on antibiotics here, probably some Moxiclav. I think that's gonna help from what I've researched. So. Like, if you can get your hands on amoxicillin, like, you know, try to get that stuff. They don't carry penicillin and Tractor Supply anymore. They want to make you go to the vet. But if you can get your hands on penicillin, amoxicillin, any kind of antibiotics, like, especially your wife or something don't get, do your research on. A lot of those can help out your dog without having to go to the vet if you do enough research. It ain't going to be life-saving. I'm talking about, like, for a kennel cough or something like a rash or something. Like, you know, I'm not a vet. I just only do what helps out, that I know helps me out, and the research that I've gotten from my dogs. BBL Drizzy. BBL Drizzy. BBL Drizzy. I can't get that song out of my head, that beat out of my head. 2 days straight, that shit been stuck. BBL Drizzy. Well, my Kendrick fans, now I ain't no Drake hater, but come on now. I grew up on bars. Bars. But then in the hindsight of things, if I was still rapping or writing when I was in my little heyday, now we ain't make it. When we came over, things started to change. I don't know, I'm more than drill rapper. But no wonder there's water everywhere. Well, she got me a mess to clean up, man. Mustard on the beat, ho. And if anybody's looking, Timo got some eel cages on deck for the low. Especially right now, they're like real like clearance for some reason. And they all got 5-star ratings, no less than a 4, a lot of them. So make sure you peep out that star on the rating. From who you buying from. I gotta go get her some more water. Oh, no, I got some more right here. I got some more right here. I always try to keep water in the kennel. Buckets on deck, on deck. Alright. She's gonna let her back in. Come on, Mama. Come on. Get out of there. See, that's the problem. Smoking that gas. But it's just a little show sample of how I do my little kennel cleaning. How we building routines, man. Check your boy out, Big Spring Bulls of Tennessee. Hit that like button. Share, subscribe, homie.